Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Google Photos is installed and you're signed in. This makes your images available. Next, open your phone settings and grant the Gallery app permission to access photos or media. Without that, the Gallery can't display Google Photos content. Once done, enable network access, Wi-Fi or mobile data, so cloud-only items can sync. Now open the Gallery app. You're ready for the next step to link and surface Google Photos items directly inside Gallery views. You now link Google Photos inside Gallery. Open Gallery, go to Albums or Sources, and find the option to add a cloud account. Select Google Photos. Make sure you pick the same Google account you signed into earlier, then allow the Gallery to access that account. Choose sync options, include videos or originals if you want full quality or just thumbnails for faster browsing, and confirm. Once syncing starts, wait briefly for your albums and thumbnails to appear alongside local images in Gallery view. Finish by checking that Google Photos albums now appear in Gallery next to local folders. Open an album and confirm images load. If items are missing, clear the Gallery app cache and reopen it, then reauthorize Google Photos access in settings. If syncing still stalls, restart your device and check Google Photos backup status to ensure items are available in the cloud. Make sure the Gallery and Google Photos use the same Google account. Once corrected, the linked albums will populate and stay visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.